Hello everyone, today I am going to present my Physics 101 project about friction coefficient and energy loss. In the experiment, I wanted to compute the friction coefficient in the air table and find the energy loss while an object is moving on the table. After we did 2 experiments in our physics labs with air tables, we found some errors due to the friction. Therefore, I wanted to find the friction coefficient on our air tables and observe the loss of energy during an object moves on the air table. I tied 2 objects to each other with a rope and made one of them do a free fall from one side of the table. Then, looking the weight of my object, I computed the force that is applied to my other object by the rope. After the free fall, I looked at the acceleration of my object. On the table, measuring the distance in a particular time interval, I looked at the change on the velocity and find our real acceleration. At the end, I drew the graph of displacement and velocity. I have been able to calculate the friction coefficient between the air table and puck. However, I had to neglect little errors. There was little errors in my velocity graph due to the air resistance and friction between the edge of the table and my rope. Therefore, my graph of velocity was not a straight line. Despite these errors, I have found the approximate value for friction coefficient, and I calculated the energy loss due to the friction, which caused little errors in our past experiment.